Hello everyone. We are going to discuss about image formation by concave mirrors. We are going to study here what are the different types of images formed by the concave mirrors when the object is placed at different distances in front of the concave mirror. So let us study our first case when the object is placed at infinity. You can see here the object is drawn and we are going to consider two rays of light from the object which are falling onto the concave mirror. These dotted lines indicate that light is coming from far distance, that is from infinity. So you can see here after reflection the rays of light will pass through a point F, which is nothing but the focus on the principal axis. As you can see, both the rays are actually meeting at F. The image will be formed at F, that is focus. The nature of the image in this case will be real and inverted, and we'll get a very highly diminished image. We can say a point size image will be getting. As per the sign convention, the object distance and the image distance are negative. Magnification in this case is less than -1. Less than sign indicates the size of the image and negative sign indicates that it is a real image. This we are considering as per the rules, which are also called as the new Cartesian rules or the sign convention. Now let us see the second case where the object is placed beyond C. You can see the object is drawn beyond C. C, center of curvature. So when the object is placed beyond center of curvature, what kind of image is formed? Here we are going to consider a ray of light which is parallel to the principal axis and another ray of light which is passing through center of curvature. The ray of light which is parallel to principal axis will pass through focus after reflection, and the ray of light which is passing through center of curvature will pass, or we can say it will retrace the path back, as here angle of incidence is equal to 0. So the angle of reflection will be also 0. So the ray of light which is passing through center of curvature will be passing undeviated, or we can say it is retracing the path back. As both the reflected rays are meeting in between center of curvature and focus, we get the formation of the image here in between C and F. As both the rays are actually intersecting each other, we get a real image. So in this case, image position will be between C and F. The nature of image will be real, inverted and diminished image we are going to get in this case, as you can compare the size of the object and the size of the image formed. In this case, both the object distance and the image distance are going to be negative as per the sign convention, and magnification will be less than -1. Next, we are going to consider our third case when the object is placed at center of curvature itself. So you can see the object is drawn here exactly at the center of curvature. In this case, we are going to consider a ray of light parallel to the principal axis which will pass through focus after reflection. Another ray of light which is passing through focus we are going to consider now here, which will be emerging parallel after reflection. Both the rays of light, that is which is parallel to principal axis, and another one which is passing through focus, they will meet just below the center of curvature and we will get an image formed just below the center of curvature. So in this case, image position is at C itself. Nature of the image, as the rays of light are actually meeting each other or intersecting each other, we get the real inverted image of the same size as that of the object. As per the sign convention, object distance, image distance and the magnification in this case are negative. Magnification, when we talk about, as the size of the object and the size of the image are equal, magnification will be equal to -1. Minus signature indicates, or minus sign indicates the real image. Our fourth case, when the object is between C and F, that is center of curvature and focus. In this case, you can see here the object is already drawn between C and F. A ray parallel to the principal axis we are going to consider, which will pass through focus after reflection. Another ray passing through center of curvature we are going to consider, which will retrace the path back. Both the reflected rays meet beyond C here. So image is formed where the reflected rays intersect each other. In this case, the image position is beyond C. Nature of the image will be real, inverted and enlarged. You can compare the size of the object and the size of the image formed. As per the sign convention, object distance and image distance both are negative in this case, and magnification will be more than -1. More than sign indicates the size of the image which is enlarged in this case. Negative sign indicates the formation of real image. In our next case, we are going to consider the object at focus, that is object at F. So object is drawn here at F. A ray parallel to principal axis is considered, which will pass through focus after reflection. Another ray which is passing through or directed towards center of curvature is considered, which will retrace the path back. After reflection, both the rays emerge parallel to each other. In this case, as both the rays are parallel to each other, the reflected rays, it is considered that parallel rays of light meet at infinity. So, the image formed will be at infinity. In this case, we get a real inverted and highly enlarged image. As per the sign convention, object distance, image distance will be negative and magnification will be greater than -1. Greater than sign indicates the image is highly enlarged as it is forming at infinity. Negative sign indicates formation of a real image. Our last case we are going to consider when the object is placed between F and P. F focus and P pole of the mirror. Here the object is placed between F and P. As the object is beyond F, we cannot consider a ray which is parallel to principal axis. Instead, we are considering a ray which is oblique to the pole. This incident ray is oblique to the pole, so it will get reflected obliquely. Another ray which is directed towards the center of curvature is considered here, which will retrace the path back. Now both the rays, we can see that after reflection they do not meet, but the distance between both the rays will go on increasing as we go on extending these rays. So that means these rays must have come from some point. So what we do here is, in this case, we retrace or we trace the reflected rays in behind the mirror and we get a virtual image formed in this case. You can see a virtual image is drawn with the dots here. It is formed behind the mirror. So in this case, image position is behind the mirror. As rays of light are not meeting after reflection, actually we get an virtual erect enlarged image. In this case, object distance is negative, image distance is positive and magnification is also positive, which is more than +1.